Howdy. Howdy, 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 howdy. Come here, buddy. Come here. You want to be in the video? Come on. Come on. Come here. Hi. Yeah, that's a microphone. Yep. Everybody, this is Chance. This is the channel. I know. You probably need to go OUT after this video. How about that? Yes, thank you. That's very kind of you. Very kind of you. Thank you. All right. Well, while my dog interrupts this filming process, I'm just going to scratch his back legs here. But welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday. You know what that means. All right, so today's tip is to connect with your venues. Go out and actually make connections. What I mean by that is drop in, email, phone call. And the tip here isn't to just reach out to them, but it's to reach out to them in a very specific manner, okay? Dale Carnegie, in his famous book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, states, I'm paraphrasing here, you will make more friends in 2 months by being interested in them than in 2 years by trying to make them interested in you. So in other words, show interest to people. Don't be selfish. Ask other people questions about themselves. He also says, I think in the book, the sweetest sound anybody will ever hear is their own name. So make sure that you are not being self-centered and instead being selfless, I guess, is really what the word would be. So my tip here is to go out to these venues and ask the venue coordinators or the planners at these places. And this doesn't just apply to venues. This applies to all vendors in general, florists, DJs, etc. Ask them how you can help grow their business, how you can help create connections and community, and how you can help them get more bookings. As the photographer, you're normally the second in line as far as who the brides are reaching out to. Normally they're going to venue first and photographer second. If you can get an in with a venue and they love you there, then they're going to recommend you like crazy. Get an in with these venues. That would be my number one suggestion. Here's what we do. And for those who are on Patreon, I am going to give you this email template. And if you're not a subscriber to our Patreon page, head to the link in the description and sign up for Patreon. It's $5 a month for the first 50 people to sign up. After that, it goes up to $10 a month. I'm going to give you guys this email template, and you guys can use this template to email these venues or vendors. Pretty much what you're going to do, though, is you're going to email them and ask them, how I would love to bring you lunch or buy you coffee or something along those lines, and come in and ask them how they are. Just meet them. You just want to meet them, show your appreciation for what they do. I want to get on that vendor list. How do I get on your vendor list? Don't even ask that question. The second you ask that question, it becomes a self-centered game, and they're going to see that. They're going to see right through you and through what you're doing, and they're going to toss you out the door, not literally, but in their heads after you leave, they're going to say, nope, don't even really care for that guy. He was just using us to get on our vendor list. Be genuine about this. Be authentic. It's really important that you do this right, because it will pay in the long run to take the slow route, build a relationship with them, and get on their good side, and then they'll add you to the vendor list. For example, how we did this, we were married at the Barn on Bridge in Collegeville, had never shot there. A couple months after we got married there, we said, hey, we really want to get on your vendor list. Didn't say that to them. We said that to ourselves. We really want to get on their vendor list. So we emailed them and said, hey, we'd love to bring you coffee. We'd love to bring you lunch, whatever it is, and sit down and meet you guys and talk about how we can help bring more value to your business, how we can help you guys grow your business and your venue, whether that is through giving you guys canvases or taking professional headshots for your staff, anything like that. We immediately got a response, and they said, yes, please, we'd love for you to come in. We'd love to meet you. Don't worry about lunch. Just come on in. We can talk and meet and all that good stuff. So we went in and just chatted with them, and they didn't actually take anything from us. They didn't want anything from us, but they asked, how can we help you? And so we said we wanted to set up a styled shoot there, get a couple in a married couple already out in a wedding dress and a bride and groom and all that stuff. You know what that is. And take some pictures of them in the venue so that we can then have marketing material for the venue. Well, we did this and we grew a relationship with them, and we brought them some Dunkin' Donuts gift cards at Christmas and all this stuff. And we grew this relationship with them. And since then, over 3 years, we shot 10 weddings there and made thousands and thousands of dollars, and even more in referrals. So moral of the story, build the venue connections, build the vendor connections and relationships now, and it'll pay out in the long run, because these are relationships you'll have throughout your career as a photographer. So that is my tip. Again, go to the Patreon link in the description below. You'll grab my email template for this, and you can reach out to some venues in your area and hopefully start booking more clients today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Hit that like button if you found it helpful. Share it with a friend who might find the content valuable, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.